Is your iPhone 14 Pro Max camera not working after the iOS 26 update? Don't worry, now here's how to fix it in under a minute. First, force restart your iPhone. Press volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This clears small update bugs. Next, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera, and make sure camera access is turned on for all apps. Then go to Settings, Location Services, Camera, Never. Sometimes location tagging causes the camera to freeze after updates. If it still doesn't work, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos. Finally, check for a small patch update. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest version like iOS 26.00. 1. If your camera still doesn't work, visit Apple support or a store. It might need a quick service check. Like and follow for more quick iPhone fixes.